All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry I was busy all of Friday and pretty much all of Saturday, which is right now until 10 o'clock. So bringing you Friday's video right now. So anyways, I call it the silver tampon. So I used the silver tampon to drop down the wall into my hole that I use for my cut-in box, which worked really nicely because the fish stick always goes a random direction. So I used the heavy little silver tampon, dropped it down with the string, tied my string on, as you'll see here in a second, and then I pulled down my flex. So I cut 4 holes, 2 for the data and 2 for my power boxes for the electrical with the flex. So the data rings on the outside left and right will just get a string, and then the 2 power boxes with the red plates, which I already finished in this next clip. I pulled down the flex to pull THHN down to that from the junction box that I hard piped back to the other junction box above the nurse station from yesterday's video. So everything got finished here, and then I went ahead and also switched out the switch to an occupancy sensor switch. And that was basically everything I worked on Friday. And then I will be working back in the PedFlex area, switching out all of these receptacle plate screws to tamper proof. I think that's the correct word, with the little 2 screws, or the little 2 holes. And there was my roll-up door that I hardwired a month ago or something. This is what it looks like now. And then then from work, I went straight over to camp meeting, and then checked back on Grandpa's progress. Looks like they got the water fountain back on, and they finally got the lights in from out of state. So he hooked up 4 of these lights to shine on the flag poles, and then 2 of the lights to focus on the waterfall. So great job to Grandpa. Also he repiped the junction boxes right here because they were underground and they had rotted out. So he repiped those, and I'm gonna help him tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a video, maybe I won't, tearing down some electrical at camp meeting. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.